Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to create a graphics designer portfolio on Wix. So let's just dive in. First of all, just click on create new site once you sign into the platform, and now just wait for a couple of seconds. You can see we have this now AI model integrated, so I'm going to be skipping this for now and jumping straight on to this section where it is asking what type of website do you want to create. So we want a portfolio site. Just select portfolio option, which is at the second place, and then we are going to be selecting the exact portfolio that we need. Like for example, in our scenario, let's just say we want an artist portfolio, game design portfolio, and since we want photography or maybe graphic designer portfolio, and now our case, so I'm going to be heading over to graphic animation portfolio, or we have various others as well, computer animation. So for static graphics we can choose, like for example, an artist portfolio. So I'm going to be going with artist portfolio and click on continue. Now we have a few steps that you should be keeping in mind for jumping straight on to creating website section, but I recommend filling all of these lists before you start, as it is going to be customizing majority of stuff for you already. So let's just skip it for now, and I'm going to be showing you how to select a template. So you can see it is loading up, so it is basically preparing the dashboard. Click on this design side option on the top right side of your screen and select the very first option, which says pick a template. And once you do, it is going to be providing us a lot of templates that we can choose from, and then we can get started with our graphic designer portfolio. So basically that is pretty much it, and I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Stay tuned. See you guys in the next video.